We'll guide you through how to upload files to Dropbox using the latest methods. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to Dropbox.com and sign into your account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main dashboard. Look for the Upload button at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll see two options: Files and Folder. If you want to upload individual files, choose Files. A File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to browse your computer for the files you want to upload. Select the file or files by holding down the Ctrl key for multiple selections, then click Open. If you have a whole folder to upload, choose Folder instead. This will let you select an entire folder from your computer to upload in one go. After selecting your files or folders, Dropbox will start uploading them immediately. You'll see a progress bar indicating the upload status. Once the upload is complete, you'll find your files in your Dropbox account under My Files. If you need to organize them, you can create new folders by clicking the New Folder button on the top menu. Drag and drop your files into these folders for better organization. Remember, if you want to share these files, simply hover over the file name, click the Share button, and enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with. You can also adjust the permissions to allow editing or just viewing. And that's it. Now your files are safely stored in Dropbox and can be accessed from anywhere. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.